parang God really knows how to cushion the blow. Kasi nalaman ko siya, I was doing a content for a brand sa isang talyer. So imaginein mo, ang ingay, medyo choppy si Doc. So nung sinabi niya yung carcinoma, parang hindi siya masyadong, yung blow wasn't as much. So parang feeling ko God really has his ways na he didn't make it so dramatic, parang ganon. And then parang I just had to deal with it. Yun. And ang good thing about it is that I don't feel unwell. Asymptomatic ako eh. So, kung hindi nga ako nagpa-check up, I wouldn't have known. So, hindi ako masyadong person to be called a very, very healthy one. Pero, ngayon ko masasabi na prevention is better than cure.
Did you cry or wala ka?
No, I didn't.
Or you think na magsisipin pa siya?
I really am not sure. Ito yung sinabi ko eh, na parang I think I've been through so much already. Na this is another one of those uncharted waters na katulad ng in the past na pagdaanan ko na I was able to overcome. So this is just one of those. So parang nahihiya naman ako kay Lord para matakot pa eh, ang dami ko nang dinaanan na mas matindi. I'm not sure if you know about my daughter. Her sickness in 2021, viral meningoencephalitis, mas major yun. Ang thyroid cancer, mas good ang prognosis. Yung kay Princess, when the doctor told me na we're not sure if she's gonna live, if she's gonna be bulang pipi, bingit, pilay. So mas mahirap yun as a mother. But we were able to surpass it. If you see her, sinasagot-sagot na ako. That's a regular 12-year-old girl. So she's very, very normal. So if we were able to surpass that trial, then this should be easier for me.
Pero wala ka na-feel before asymptomatic?
Hindi rin protruding. My trigger was my migraines. So nagpa-check up ako in 2023, MRI for the brain. Hagyap si pag-MRI. Nakita doon na may nodules. Nung nakita yung nodules, kailangan mo i-ultrasound yan. Tapos biopsy. But in 2023, it was benign.
Okay.
And then this year, January, executive check-up regular, nakita na lumaki. So biopsy ulit, ayun na, carcinoma.
What will happen na? May mga procedure?
Yes, full thyroidectomy. So they have to take out the thyroid. So I'm doing it in July. Pero pag dating ng 4 months, mag-radioactive iodine, which is, mas doon ako natatakot kasi 3 days akong walang kausap. Paano? Paki-explain. Doon ako, as an extrovert and an overthinker, doon ako mas nininervyos. But yun daw that's the process that I have to go through. Kaya nga, sabi ko nga dun sa team of doctors, parang I told them na ang daming nagpipick up ng story, so maraming nakabantay, so baka naman gusto natin hindi tamaan talaga yung aking vocal cords. And yun naman din yung assurance sa akin na the very first thing that they're going to do pag nandun na ako is to find out where the vocal kasi I want to maintain this voice. Hindi ko gustong maging Mariah Carey. Maganda na yung boses. I know siya, diba? Pero I still want to...
when she did the operation.
Nasira. Oo, ganyan. And Karen Davila? And some other, yun. So, not sure about her, but...
So, may risk, pero...
May risk, but it's 1%.
Right.
So, doon tayo natatakot sa possible risk, diba? So, but I'm, in the same way that God has always been there for me in all the trials, then maybe this is something that I will also go through, and then pagtatagumpayan ko ito. Noong una nga yung asawa ko nagreklamo, sabi niya, why did you have to share this, ganyan. Sabi ko, because I know I'm going to overcome this, and this will always be a testimony.
And parang na rin, sa mga tao, yung awareness.
Yes, awareness.
Pangalagaan yung sarili.
Correct. Ang dami nga nagtatanong about it. So,
ito ba inamana mo? Or
ang sabi daw ay pwedeng genetics or ang sabi daw ay pwedeng lifestyle. I wouldn't know. Feeling ko naman kahit alamin ko ay nandiyan na rin naman. So, yeah. But have yourself check.
May message po ba kayo sa mga kagaya ng lumalaban sa cancer?
Manatiling maganda sa gitna ng lahat. Hindi, no, because I have talked to a lot of people already, even before na ako not knowing that I would ever encounter the big C, no? Na kadalasan yung kalaban niya is pag nag-give up na yung person. So kaya ako, nandun ako sa I will overcome it and I will not let this overcome me or ako yung ang dami, 6 years old lang po yung bunso ko. I have so much to do I have so many people to, still entertain. I have jewelries to sell, diba? So I have a long way to go. So definitely pagtatagumpayan.